The equilibrium pressure of the reaction NH4Cn gives NH3 plus HCN is 0.298 atmosphere. Calculate Kp. If NH4Cn is allowed to decompose in terms of 0.25 atmosphere ammonia, what is equilibrium partial pressure of HCN? So first step, process number 1. So first we'll do first one. What is given? Ammonium cyanide NH4Cn, which is a solid, decomposes to give ammonia gas and HCN gas. So according to this particular one, initially we don't consider how much is the amount of NH4Cn because active mass of solids is taken as unity. No need to consider. No change is observed in the reaction, so don't consider. Initially 0, 0. At equilibrium, this NH4Cn decomposes to give P NH3 and P partial pressure of HCN, such that the total pressure will be equals to 2P. What is total pressure given to us is 0.298 is given as total pressure. This will be equals to 2P. So the pressure will be equals to 0.149 atmospheres. Now here partial pressure of NH3 Kp is equals to partial pressure of NH3 into partial pressure of HCN, which will be equals to 0.149 into 0.149. So Kp will be equals to 0.022. I can say atmospheric square. This can be taken as Kp. The first step is completed. Using the same Kp, now we are going to find the second step where 0.25 atmosphere ammonia is already present before the start of the reaction. Now the second step, NH4Cn again decomposing to give NH3 plus HCN. If you take this reaction with 0.25 atmosphere of ammonia initially taken in the composition, and at equilibrium, what will happen? To this 0.25, some P pressure will be added and P HCN will be the partial pressure of HCN, such that still the Kp for this reaction remains constant. Kp for this reaction is constant at constant temperature. So since the temperature is constant, Kp will be constant, no effect because of taking 0.25 atmosphere of ammonia initially. So what will be the Kp value will be partial pressure of ammonia into partial pressure of HCN, which can be written as Kp is 0.022 will be equals to 0.25 plus P into P. So from this I can write P square plus 0.25 P minus 0.022 is equals to 0. On solving this particular equation, we get partial pressure P is equals to, the value of P will be equals to 0.068 approximately. So partial pressure of HCN, this becomes the partial pressure of HCN. So the partial pressure of HCN will be 0.068 atmosphere. So where we have this option D 0.068, the answer.